Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to verify your AliExpress account step by step so you can shop safely and smoothly. Let's get started! Step 1. First, open the AliExpress app on your phone, then tap on Account at the bottom right corner. Step 2. Next, click your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Now tap Edit and scroll down to Account Information. Step 4. Click on your email address. A new window will pop up. Just tap Go to confirm now. Step 5. Open your Gmail or email app, look for the confirmation email from AliExpress, and click Confirm Email Address. That's it. You're verified. Bonus tip. Verifying your account helps with faster refunds, better security, and smoother checkout. So make sure to complete this step early. And that's how you verify your AliExpress account. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful e-commerce tips. See you next time!